This is the final video to solve Ravenfield blank screen and Unity crash on startup. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve Ravenfield blank screen and Unity crash on startup. And I am going to share them with you. First, updating your graphics drivers is crucial because outdated drivers often create compatibility conflicts with modern game engines like Unity. These conflicts can lead to rendering failures, manifesting as blank screens, or memory access violations that trigger immediate crashes during startup. Ensuring your GPU drivers are current allows the hardware to correctly interpret and process game instructions, providing a stable environment. Next, verifying game file integrity is essential. Corrupted or missing game assets can prevent critical components from loading correctly, causing the game to either display a blank screen as it fails to render initial graphics or crash outright due to incomplete initialization. Steam's verification tool replaces any damaged files, ensuring all necessary data is present and intact. Third, running Ravenfield as an administrator or in compatibility mode addresses permission-related issues. Games and their engines, especially Unity, require specific access rights to system resources, temporary file directories, and even registry keys. Without these permissions, the game might fail to launch or crash when attempting to write or read essential data. Running as administrator grants the necessary elevated privileges, while compatibility mode resolves conflicts with newer operating system versions. Finally, clearing the Unity cache and game-specific data often resolves persistent issues. Over time, cached files can become corrupted or outdated, leading to unexpected behaviors, including startup failures. By deleting these temporary files, you force the game and Unity engine to regenerate fresh data, eliminating any corrupted elements that might be causing the blank screen or crash, effectively resetting the game's initial state for a clean launch.